So this is the Eufy Video Doorbell, and it is a battery operated doorbell with it says 180 days of battery life and free and secure local storage. So it comes with a base station which you connect to your network, and the videos are stored on here. So if someone was to take your video doorbell, you would have a video of them taking it stored on your base station. And it says that it works with Google Assistant and Amazon. It's 2K resolution, and 2K resolution sits between 4K and 1080p. So it's a good compromise in terms of good video quality and less space for storing of the videos. And I bought this video doorbell here in Thailand for 6,000 Thai baht, which is 130 British pounds or 180 US dollars. So some of the features. You have a live view and recording history, so if there are any incidents, like if somebody rings the doorbell, that incident is recorded, but you can also watch the video live. You get notifications on your phone. It supports multi-users, so I have set this up on my girlfriend's phone as well, so we both get notifications if someone comes to the door or somebody rings the doorbell. It comes with advanced AI human detection, and what that means is that it's very good at seeing that somebody coming to the door into the motion detection zone is a person, and only then will it record. So any cats or cars driving past will not be included. And the activity zone can be changed. So I've actually reduced mine because I've got my doorbell facing a road, so I don't want to pick up any people wandering along the road. It supports two-way audio, so you can have a conversation with the person. So I've had this for a couple of weeks now, and I have to say I'm very happy with it. So to connect your Eufy Video Doorbell, you need to download and install the Eufy Security app. And once you've done that, you can add Eufy devices, and that's done very easily because the devices, they all come with a QR code at the bottom, so you scan the code and it will add the device. So the base station in this case, it has a network cable which attaches to your network, and it has a USB port. You can use that for charging the ringer, but it can also be used to extend the storage that's in the device. So let's open the app and have a look at it. So first of all, just to look at the doorbell, the first thing that I like is that you get an indicator of the doorbell battery. So this is a big improvement on my previous doorbell, which didn't have this feature. It didn't have an app. It was just supposedly wireless in the fact that it talked to the ringers in the house. But the reason I decided to make this change was that the battery in the ringer ran out, and for about a month people were ringing the bell and thinking that we weren't at home. So let's have a look at the motion detector, and you can see now that I have set this up for humans only. I'm not interested in any cats or cars, etc. And you can adjust the sensitivity as well. Let's have a look at the activity zone. So this blue box you'll see at the bottom here is the activity zone, which can be altered, and you can drag this out. So this is a live view of what the camera is seeing at the moment. So it's quite a good wide angle. You've got a good view down the road, see any traffic coming. So from the app we can get a live view. So I don't know if you can hear the birds singing. So you've got audio and video from the camera. You can connect the Eufy Video Doorbell to your Google Home. Okay Google, stream the video doorbell.
Okay, streaming the doorbell on Home Hub.
Alexa, show video doorbell.
Okay.
Mounting the video doorbell is quite straightforward. You just screw the mounting plate onto the post and click it into place. It comes with a security key, so you can't just click it off. You actually need to use the security key to remove the doorbell. But as you can see, there is no wires or anything. It's all battery operated. My original doorbell is this wireless doorbell here, and there are 3 ringers in the house. Unfortunately, it's not really a wireless, it requires line of sight, and because my house has very small windows and foil in the walls, it's very difficult to get a connection, so I have to position the ringers very carefully to allow line of sight. The Eufy Video Doorbell actually uses wireless, and I have wireless access points, one at the front of the house and one on the 3rd floor as well, so it's very easy to get a good wireless signal. So when somebody rings the bell, they hear a ring on the ringer, and it will ring in the house, and also you'll get notifications on your phone.
Hello.
Hello. Can you see me?
Yes, very clearly.
Okay, thank you. So the Eufy doorbell will record events, and you can scroll back through the days to see the different events. And the events will be either somebody ringing the bell and you get a notification on your phone that someone's rung the bell, and then you can have a conversation with them. But also you get notifications if somebody comes close to the video doorbell. So I'm going to show 2 clips, one of which I have a delivery guy coming and ringing the doorbell, and then I have another clip of a guy coming up to the doorbell. Looks like he's going to press the doorbell, but he decides that he's basically too scared to press the doorbell, and he decides he's just going to shout over the gate. But I got a notification anyway on my phone that there was somebody at the front of the house, so that was very useful.
กดกิ่งเอาของมาส่งครับ